myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. These pronouns are both reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns. The way they are used in sentences will determine whether they are reflexive pronouns or intensive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object of the verb are the same person or thing. In other words, reflexive pronouns are the object of a verb which refers back to the subject of the verb. They are placed after a verb or after a preposition. While intensive pronouns are reflexive pronouns that are used to place emphasis on the subject of a verb. Intensive pronouns do not act as the object of a verb, and they are placed after a noun or after the preposition by. Intensive pronouns are also called emphatic pronouns. And of course, they can be categorized into first person singular, myself, second person singular, yourself, third person singular, himself, herself, itself, first person plural, ourselves, second person plural, yourselves, third person plural, themselves. Yourself is used when referring to one person. Yourselves is used when referring to more than one person. Like I said earlier, reflexive pronouns are used when the subject of a verb is also the object of the verb, while intensive pronouns are used to place emphasis on the subject of a verb. Examples: I did it for myself. In this case, myself is used as a reflexive pronoun because the subject of the verb is also the object of the verb. I did it myself. In this case, myself is used as an intensive pronoun to show that the speaker was not assisted in doing whatever it is he or she did. You have to cook the food for yourself. You have to cook the food by yourself. He read the book aloud to himself. He read the book aloud by himself. She poured the drink for herself. She poured the drink by herself. The dog hurt itself. The dog jumped over by itself. We organized ourselves for the party. We organized the party ourselves. You baked the cake for yourselves. You baked the cake yourselves. They are cleaning their rooms for themselves. They are cleaning their rooms by themselves. These sentences show that the subjects of the verbs are also the objects of the verbs. They perform the actions and also receive the actions. Reflexive pronouns. While these sentences show that the subjects of the verbs are not assisted in performing the actions. Intensive pronouns. Let's have more examples of reflexive and intensive pronouns in the comments.